Let's talk a little bit about the home page. On each login, you will land on this home page. It shows 4 separate parts: the middle top half part, the middle lower half, the right hand side navigation links, and the left hand side navigation panel. There's also a global navigation panel on the very far left, which includes the inbox that you will be using instead of email throughout the quarter. Going back to the left-hand side navigation panel, note that it includes some standard features common to most classes here at Foothill. We will be using mainly announcements, syllabus, grades, modules, discussions, and the global inbox. It also includes My Lab and Mastering, that is common for most accounting classes here at our college. Note that My Lab will be last used in Accounting 1C in the winter quarter of 2019. A weekly agenda is announced each week on Mondays, which should be automatically sent to your email or notifications if you set up your Canvas account to do that. Similar info is shown in the middle panel of the home page, including a Google Doc weekly calendar showing you the deliverables and due dates. Both the announcement and the middle panel reflect the same information as in the class calendar, which controls all deadlines. In our current week 1, which I actually call week 01, you will navigate to 2 modules. The week 0 module, which is the orientation, to be completed within the first few days of the first week in the quarter, and then weeks 1 and 2 module, which covers chapter 10 material, to be completed across 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2. Now we know that, let's navigate first to the orientation module. Module 0 has 4 sections, A through D. At the moment, I will only focus on section A, that includes the orientation presentation. That includes an overview of Canvas, the syllabus, and specific guidance for registering to use My Lab. Remember that registering for My Lab is your first of 3 required orientation tasks. Section B is a getting to know each other part of the orientation. B1 shows my bio, which is optional for you, but B2 is required. That is a discussion thread that you will use to submit your own introduction / brief bio. Your bio is the second of 3 required orientation tasks. Section C shows the orientation quiz. That is your third required task of 3. Now submit this quiz only when you're ready, when you have completed all the reviews, when you have completed already the first 2 required orientation tasks, and you feel you're ready to move on to the next module, which is your chapter 10 module during weeks 1 and 2. Finally, section D offers a few discussion threads for administrative questions. The first one is for your orientation questions in week 1. The virtual office thread should be used throughout the quarter for public class-related questions. Now for private questions, always use inbox. Complete the orientation and the orientation tasks and move on to the first chapter module to start our actual work for this class. You will note that the drop policy is applied to no-show students who do not complete the orientation tasks 1 through 3, plus the first reading check 10, RC10, by the end of the first week. This is the end of this orientation video. Please review the How to Start Each Week video next.